Hey everyone, Lee here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily turn on your iPhone's microphone for any app that you want to use it with. So let's dive right into it. The first thing we want to do is head over to our iPhone settings here. Once you're there, we want to access the microphone settings. To do that, scroll down until you see Privacy and tap on it. Then, about halfway down the page, you'll see the option for microphone. Tap on that and you'll be presented with a list of apps that use your microphone on your iPhone. From there, you can toggle the microphone on or off for any of the apps that you want. This is especially helpful if you're trying to record a TikTok or Instagram video and your microphone isn't working. Just toggle it back on and you're good to go. One thing to note is that the built-in apps on your iPhone like FaceTime and iMessenger and the phone app are not in the list because they are always defaulted to on for using the microphone on your iPhone. So this is where you can control and toggle off the various other apps that use your microphone. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching.